Hello everyone and welcome to version 2 of my 2x2 beginner tutorial. So recently I got a new 2x2 and I've gotten a lot faster at it, and I thought I understand 2x2 a little bit more than when I made version 1, so I decided to redo this video. So there'll be a link in the description to the old video, and anyway, let's get into it. So let's scroll this up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make one layer. So a layer like this, so it's one color and all these matched up like this. So okay, so the first thing you want to look for is, just for a beginner, you would probably want to look at white's usually the easiest. So just choose one piece, so see this piece here, and what you want to do is you want to move the correct piece next to it. So this one is the white, blue, orange corner, and you want the something with blue, with white and blue, and this one has white and blue. So basically you put it on top here, and then you do this algorithm, so you put it above the slot, and then you go like this, like that, and then you just repeat that again. And then we have this one solved. So we'll move on to the next one. So this one, so this has white and orange, so this one also has white and orange, so we put it above the slot here, and then we do the same algorithm, and then it solves. And then finally the last edge has to be white, or red and blue, this one, and then we go like that. So another thing you can get is if the corner's like this, and it's like in the right spot, but you need to flip it. So basically what we do is we just put any other corner in. It doesn't matter if it isn't even white. Like if it's for your last corner and there's nothing on top, it doesn't matter. You just, so let's just say I don't like this one, and I put this on top, and then like that, and then we can just pretend to solve this like it usually was. Okay, so I'm gonna go through one more example of that. So okay, so I choose this corner here, and then this is white and green, so this one has white and green, so like this, then that was solved in one move. Now this one is white and orange, so so we also need white and orange, so we have this one, so that was also one move. And then we have our last one here, so white and red, so move it over here, and then yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You just gotta know when you get this, you solve like usually. Okay, so now when you get up to the last layer, you will get one of 7 cases. So what we want to do is, if you have either 0 or 1, 0 or 2 like corners right like this, so just so like if you got only one corner up, then this doesn't apply, but anyway, so I go like, I'll set up this case. Okay, so see, I've got 2 like this, so basically if we have 2 or 0, we get our top color, which is yellow, and we face it on a corner to the left like this. So this is yellow, and we face it to the left like this, and then we do this algorithms. And then basically we just repeat this. Until we have one corner, like this. So basically what we'll do is, we put the corner in the bottom left, in the same spot that we'll usually put the yellow, facing to the left, and then we do the same algorithm. So, like that. I'll set up another example of this. Okay, so here we face the yellow to the left like this, and then we go that, and then we actually have one corner like this, so we can put that in the left like here. You don't need to rotate around like I did. I don't know why I did that. There we go. Isn't that pretty easy? Okay. So now we are on the final step where you have to swap two corners. So firstly, if you have two corners right next to each other, solve this. So you put it on the left side, and then we do this algorithm. So this is the T-perm for 3x3. So I'll go for it one more time. That. And basically, if we get two corners solved like this, so these two corners solved, but they're diagonal and they're not next to each other, basically we just do this algorithm once. So, and then it will set up the next case. Like that. So, I hope you've learned how to solve a 2x2 now, and I'll see you in my next video.